It is already too hot. Let me steam. Oh, I'm done with steaming. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It is morning here. It's cold. I don't know. It's just rainy, cold, and everything you don't want it to be at the moment. But it's your girl Kana. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to take you around like in my everyday life. But what I want to do in this early morning is make something to help me out with flu. I got the flu and it's killing me softly. Guys, when I tell you that when I get the flu, it hurts me as if I have malaria. It hurts me as if I have like a sickness killing me. You get me? I get the flu and then I get the cough on the flu. I don't even know where they come from, but hey, I got them. And so guys, I'm the kind of person who literally gets a disease from somebody. If you have it, I'm going to get it. I don't get how it happens. What is flu? Is it a disease or a virus? Okay, whatever it is. But if a person has it and they get close to me, I get it as well and it kills me. So my uncle, I think, came on Easter and he had like the flu. And I was like, don't get close to me. I don't want to get it because I know I'm going to get it. I did not get close to him at all. But in my whole entire house, I'm the one who got it. Now here we are and I need to like fix it up because I have been taking medicine and it's not working out. So let us do some steaming because steaming like is a sure deal of working out. So I'm going to take you through that process and I like it this early morning. Let me get my hair out of the way because it will get burnt so easily. It's not even funny. Before I start up this, so I have got out my charcoal stove which I need to use at the moment. Today I'm in charge of cooking, so oh my god. But you know what, I don't have a problem with it because I'm home. I'm going to be home all day. So yeah, when I'm home all day, it's okay for me to cook because I have time. I am home all day, so I have time to cook, and I'm actually a good cook. But today we are just going to, I'm just going to be taking you on a journey of like my steaming because I need to like work on this flu. It treats me so bad. I would not even be wearing this jacket though it's cold. I would not be wearing it if I did not have the flu. Yeah, but anyways, let's get to it. Right, so guys, here I have my paraffin because it makes life easier and it makes like making the stove a little bit easier, but we don't keep it for like making the stove. We usually keep it for snakes, you know, because snakes don't like paraffin, and here all over the place there is a lot of snakes. Literally there is a snake that lives around there. I'm going to show you, and we know it's there. It knows we are here and we have nothing to do about it, you know. It's a long green snake and it grows every single day because every single time like we see it, it's a little bit bigger. Anyways, so we keep paraffin because like if like a snake were to enter our home or our house, or we find a snake anywhere, we can like pour paraffin on it. It disturbs the snake and it irritates it, and then maybe we can kill it. So anyways, let's get into it because yeah, we need to cook. Guys, look at my nails. I dread the fact that I'm going to have to like spoil my nails because like literally one of the things that spoil nails quicker than anything is having to touch charcoal and to work with it, you know. So it is not nice, but you know what? A girl needs to do what a girl needs to do. I can't be like, okay, now I will not touch the stove because I don't want like my nails to get spoiled or anything like that. Nah, you can't do that. My mother would literally forbid me to like make nails any longer. Or she would be like, you know what, girl, let me just cut them off for you so that you can grow up. Actually, one of the stereotypes that I get from a lot of people when they see me and when they meet up with me, like they see the long nails, then they see like the colorful hair, usually like having colorful hair or something, and then they see the way I'm dressed, you know, they are like, no, she can't be the one to like do any kind of chores because she just looks like not a person who does chores. I don't get it. How does a person who doesn't do chores look like? You know, until I surprise them with like getting my work done and they're like, oh my goodness, kaana. I remember on my birthday I think it was my 19th birthday, yes, 19th birthday. I decided to make a meal for my whole entire family. So I got money, went, bought like ingredients on my birthday, and I made a meal for them and my friends and yeah, the family. And I remember like my cousin is my best friend actually. So she was like, she came and she was eating the food I made. And she's like, oh my goodness, kaana, this food is so good. I never knew that you knew how to cook. I'm like, what? No, for real. I was like, what do you mean that you didn't think that I know how to cook? And a lot of people did say that. And even like my mother's friend was around that time and she was like eating with us and she's like, oh kaana, you know how to cook. I'm like, what made you think I could not cook? I have grown up in my mother's house. I am my mother's daughter. What makes you think I could not cook? But guys, for real, let's stop with the stereotypes because for me, I love putting down the stereotypes. Like, if you think I cannot do something just because of the way I look, I just show you that I can do it 1,000 times better. It's so nice to like surprise the stereotypes and you're like, oh my goodness, she cooks and yet she people like referring to me as a slayer. I don't know why, but I don't. Anyways, they're like, oh my goodness, you look like these girls who are like all over themselves and they're, you know, with the look, they just judge the look really. But then I'm like, when they get close to me, they're like, oh, you're a nicer person, you are talking with us and you're not a bitch and you're not true that you know how to do stuff. And I'm like, yeah, because I was raised well. Anyways, long story made short, yeah, that is it with the stereotypes, but I'm proving them wrong every single day that goes by and I love it. Anyways, this is how I make my stove and yep, we are done. And let's make it look this side. Now look at my nails, look at my hands, look. Okay, let's go get we need to like get the herbs to steam, to steam like myself in, because yeah, this is going to be like this is going to be ready by the time I come back, you know. So let's go. Teach me how to doggy, baby. Teach me how to doggy. Teach me. I love how I wake up and I literally have way too much energy for my own good. Faith, you're shouting. You're shouting for us. Guys, Faith is shouting. Anyways, let's wash my hands because alright. hands are clean. Now we are back to like slaying. Slay. All right, guys, let's go because oof. Let me. Let's go. We need to get my ingredients. Ingredients, herbs. Ugh, English is not the word. English is the problem here. But all in all, let's go so that we can get them ready, and then we will be able to steam myself. You will see that I'll be a different person by evening. For real, I'll be a different person because it just clears out the air hole, and yeah, here is the problem. From here to here, it's clogged. I can barely breathe. Okay, let's go. And guys, my chocolate stove, as you can see, is like coming out very well, so that is very nice. All right, okay, let's go. All right, guys, so I have like my saucepan here, and we are going to be getting the herbs. The herbs are really in my yard, so I don't have to go far, but yeah, anyways, let's go. First of all, I need guava, and this over here is the guava tree, so let's get some guava. Okay, guys, let's get some guava. Oh my goodness, how do I do this? Let me just get the leaves. Let me get the leaves. Instead of like breaking off. Okay. Guava helps out like with cough. I'm going to be chewing on some of these because it also helps out with that as well. So that will be nice. Oh my god. Short people, we struggle. Oh my goodness. For real, being short is a struggle of its own. Okay. Wow. Now we need orange, which is actually over here. So we need some of that to like make the juices, the steaming water, which I can only like also be drank. So that is nice. That is nice. Clumsy Zanyaba. Let's get some of this. Okay. Orange. The orange will help me with the scent is so strong. The orange will help me with the flu. The guava will help me with the cough. So let's continue. I need a Christmas tree, which if you have never like seen one, I'm going to show you one now. We need some of that. So let us get some. This will help me very much with just getting up there in my medulla and fix it. I don't like the flu. It makes me feel like a newborn baby. For real, it makes me feel like a newborn baby. That is how bad it affects me. Ah, I usually am not the kind of person who like sleeps in the daytime, but yesterday I spent the whole day sleeping because I was feeling like a newborn baby, not feeling well at all. We already have a full stack of like the things that we need at the moment, so I'm going to like be putting water in here and boiling it so that it can produce steam, so that I can let me change my hand. This one is getting tired. So that it can produce steam, so that I can like steam myself, and in no time I'll be so much better. This is actually my flu and cough remedy. I don't have anything else because the usual medicine really does not do nothing for me. It just, I think it does something, but it does it on a slower base, you know. Anyways, I found out this when we were in COVID, so we would use this to like steam ourselves all the time in the COVID times. Anyways, let us go. Do you see how wet the ground is? You know? Alright guys, so here is my medicine which I will be cooking, and my sigiri. This is called a sigiri. Charcoal stove is called a sigiri in Luganda, so it's already done. So yeah, let's get some cooking done. But first and foremost, before I cook like my medicine, which is over here, I'm going to first cook tea, chai. So yep, our thingy. What is that called in English? I don't know. Binika. Let me just tell it to you in Luganda. So it's cooking, and then I'm going to like just have to wash this up. Let's go and wash it. Wash it. Let's wash it. Alright guys, so first things first, I need to wash up this because it's dirty. I'm washing it first of all. If it was only for steaming, that would have been okay, but I'm also washing it because I need to drink some. It helps like with the cold and the cough, just helps on the inside really. So I have to do that, and let me just wash it very well and clear it. But the green is greening, and since it's raining, everything is just so green and lush and beautiful. Just know guys, I feel like I live in paradise. Let me finish up with this. And after that we are done with the washing, we are going to throw away the water because and then we'll add in some water in here, and I am not going to add in like a lot of water because we don't need a lot. We just need like some for steaming, like 2 days or 3 days. Really, just depends on how long it takes for the cough to go. Yeah, but after that, definitely we are going to. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. After I put back this. Alright guys, so here is our stuff and our remedy. So let's go cooking. Okay. Oof, my back. Oh my goodness. Guys, when I tell you that literally I feel like I have a back problem half of literally half of the time I don't even know. My back is always hurting for some unknown reason. I need a massage, like a full body massage. But then the only issue about massages is that I don't like when people touch my body. You know, so anyways, I guess I just need to have like a different mindset about going for massages. Yeah, I have my reasons, but eesh. Anyways, we'll find out when I get ready to like cross that bridge of massage. Anyways, we are done, so I am just waiting for my tea to cook over here, and then afterwards we will be um cooking my steaming water, and then I'll steam myself. It actually smells even now before I even cook it. When I cook it, it will smell more because every single thing that I have added in there is like for smelling out or something, you know. So yeah, but all in all, we are done with that and the preparation of that. Now we are going to, I promised to show you where the snake lives in this area, because every single time I look this side, I'm just in my mind, I'm like, where is that snake? It's there, it sees us, it doesn't do anything. And sometimes we see it. Usually my mother sees it because she has like eyes that are more seeing, you know. In my language there is that word there that says erisodium erisodium kule wadugala we walaba. You get me? So like with an elder's eye. I don't know how to translate it in English, or in English. I can't translate it in English. But all in all just means that when a person is elder there is Z where you cannot see. You get? So our mother is like always attentive to stuff and she sees stuff. So oh my god. I don't know if I grow up and become a mother would do the same thing. I don't know. Tell me. Mothers out there, tell me. Will I do the same thing? Anyways, let me go and show you as we wait for my tea to cook. Alright guys, so here I'm going to show you all angles where the snake where we really see the snake from. Okay, let's go. I don't like going into this thing because actually I'm getting very close than you could imagine. I don't like getting into this thing because there are so many snails and I don't like snails. Let me show you up. Do you see them? Do you see them? There. That is a snail. Inside there is a snail. Everywhere there is a snail. It's not nice. Okay, so here is where we always, this place, like, is where we always find the snake, right? And it's in that tree, which is a star fruit tree, right? And it's always there, literally. If you look close, you see it, especially when there is the sun. That is not cool. No, njagala balaga guli. Huh? No, I'm not seeing it anywhere. But just that it's in this place all the time. Maybe one day it will grace us with its snake. Where are you? You can't see it. When it's cold, you can never see it, and it's crazy that I'm even like getting this close to it, you know. Oh my god. Oh guys, we have so many fruits here in our home. This is Tina. Ekigundi bakiyita batya? Ekitafeeri? But they have a name for it. I can't remember the name. What is it called? Chitaferi. Okay guys, go it's called a chitaferi. Guys, for real, I'm not even joking. It's called a chitaferi. Okay, for the Ugandans on here, and if you know what a chitaferi is in English, please tell me. So, okay, let me just try to define it, right? It has like a rough surface with spikes on it, and the inside is white when it gets ripe. Like on the outside it's green and it has spikes, but inside it's white and it's soft and it's juicy and it's good, you know. Ah, I can't remember the name. I cannot remember the name. So the snake is somewhere here. It's usually in that tree. You see, it's a green thing. So this is a star fruit, right? Oh, look at this spider. Look at that. Look at that. Let's lens it out. Look at me trying to be like a cameraman for that day. Now the real question is, if it finds me here, what would I do? Huh? Because we usually see it. It usually sunbathes here, and it, oh my goodness, sometimes we find it there, you know, as we are going to like the toilet, which is there. So you find it all the time. And once I remember, like, I went to the toilet and then my mother is like, yeah, I saw you going to the toilet and I saw the snake, but I did not want to tell you because you would get like scared and then like run, and then you have already entered the toilet. So it was very fun. And I think, guys, the craziest thing ever is when Faith went to literally the toilet, and she was in there, and then all of a sudden she just had us like shouting here when we had just come to this area, right? And we're like, oh, snake, snake, snake. It was this side, so we're killing it on this side. So she's in the toilet and she's like, she started shouting, she's like, mama, come get me. And we're like, just remain where you are, because it's not on your side, it's on our side. So how can we come to get you when the snake is on your side? It was so funny. She's so dramatic, guys. Let me tell you something. If I have seen drama, Faith gives me more drama than I can handle in this entire lifetime. Anyways, let's get out of the garden of the shamba. The one beautiful word that I learned in Kenya was shamba. I love the word. There's just something about it. Anyways, guys, for real, let's now cook. No, you guys, do you see it? Do you see that? Tell me why it's drizzling. Oh, and look at the sky, it's blue, but it's drizzling. Why? Why are you drizzling? I have things to do today. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Okay, my tea is done, so let me remove that. Oh, okay, let me cook this. We are done until further notice. Have you ever been in love where you can touch the moonlight when your heart's feeling something? I'm very bad with lyrics, and you cannot anymore. Have you ever been so in love? So in love. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever been in love? Our thing is steaming, as you can see. It's already boiled. That is what we need. So we are going to go. Alright guys, so I have got my steaming water. Now we are going to get what like to use to cover myself so that I can steam. Oh my goodness, I feel like my nose is like hurting me right now when they are blocked and then you're trying to breathe. Ugh. Oh my goodness, my back hurts. Every single thing that I do to literally move, I feel like it's breaking apart, you know. Anyways, this is my favorite sitting style because I usually sit like this. I don't know why, it just makes life a little bit easy. So let's just remove this because it's too big. Oh. It is already too hot. Let me steam. Oh, whew, it's too hot. Okay, guys, look at me. I'm glowing. I'm shining. I love it, and it's so hot now. But all in all, that is me, and I am done with steaming. My nose is a little bit like even unblocked now, So it works as we go, which is very good for me. Does it make you lose weight as well? Because where are the chicks? Oh my goodness. Where are the chicks? Where did they go? I don't see them anymore. Oh, am I like a little bit farther away from the camera? Yep, there they are. I thought. Anywho, we are done with the steaming, and that is how I do my steaming every single time I get the flu and the cough. Do you hear the voice? It is a little bit better because I'm a little bit unclogged. Yep. Anyways, we are done with it, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, you can definitely subscribe so that you can get more of my videos. I am fun to watch, so try watching. Alright guys, love you and see you next time. It was your girl Kaana. Bye bye.